Hello guys, welcome back to my video. Today, please like and subscribe. Today, we're gonna show our family members. This is my mom.
Hello guys!
This is my father. This is my cousin. This is my tito. This is my tita. At sunod na ito. And this is my Mama Len. And this is my ate cooking. This is my mother. Of course, she doesn't say, I love you. Wait, I love you. She says, I love you. This is my mother. Of course, she doesn't say, turn off the lights. She says, kill the lights. Close the water. Open the water. My mother, of course, she doesn't say, stop it. She says, isa, dalawa, tatlo. Guys, welcome to my vlog again. Today we're gonna dance. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Ice cream yummy. Ice cream good. Paper yucky. Paper ew. Paper yucky. Wait. No, wrong. Hello guys. Today we like and subscribe. My ate is finished cooking. This is the result. Here is the food. This is my mom fixing clothes.
Because what are we going to do? Because we are going to Lola's house to celebrate the
Happy New Year. Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Bye-bye. My ate eating. That looks yummy. Nom 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 nom. Please subscribe and like the video. Not even a single person liked to this video. Bye-bye.
perfect ka. Marunong ka na pala.
This is the pancake my sister made. This is
Yummy.
This is my sniper rifle. Check this out right here.
It's raining man. Excuse me. Oh, nagra-run yung video mo. Walang ano.
Here it is.
I wanna show you.
Hello guys, welcome to my dance. Please like and subscribe. Welcome. Happy Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Today we are gonna dance.
Ganda naman ang
3,
gamit mo, Jay.
2, 1.